Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel UB Tech Zone. And today I know I already uploaded a registration video and all the things, but I just want to make a recap like only on the registration. So you have to go to the Microsoft mvp.microsoft.com student ambassador. Once you go there, here you see a button get started. Click on it. Okay, so you have to sign it with your Google account. So once you do that, okay, I'm just skipping for right now, like all the other thing, like finger, you can add a fingerprint and all. So once you do that, you can see here two things, a registration and a privacy. So you have to go on the registration. Okay, so once you go to the registration, you have to fill your basic details. Like first there is a program agreement, like you can read it, like what exactly we are going to do and what are the uh, agreement of the Microsoft and all. You can read there. There is nothing harmful or something like that. So this is the basically agreement what you have to be. You at least be 18 years old and you must be enrolled in a full-time any academic institution or college or something. And okay, and you must be Azure student holder, and you are not be a previous residence of MSD. If you removed by the Microsoft program, so you can't re-register again and you can't be a Microsoft employee. And what exactly here my Azure student holder, it's not necessity for right now, but you have to create your account within a particular quarter. Like for example, you are participating in this quarter, that is October to December, so you have to create this. So you can do it later, but in this video I'm explaining all the things related to registration. So once you do that, so you have to click on the agree and click on the next page. Okay, once you come here, you have to fill like your some name. So you have to write your first name, last name, your contact email, your date of birth, and you have to fill your gender, pronouns, and your country region, like where you are living, and what's your state. And you have to write your particular language. You can choose, I guess, multiple things. So Python, PHP, whatever your preferred language, what you are expecting. If you don't know, like it's not necessarily that you know a particular language or something. If you don't know, if you don't come from a tech background or something, it's totally okay. You can select any one language and click on the next. Okay, so once you click that, you have to you can add your some social media platform like LinkedIn and all the things. So it is basically for it, on your profile. Once you become an ambassador, so you can add it later, after the once you become the ambassador. So after this, you have to fill your academic. So for example, I'm living in India, state Delhi. Okay, so academic, for example, I just mentioned IIT Delhi and computer science bachelor degree, and I'm going to graduate in the 2028. So this is a basic detail. So you have to fill, for example, maybe you are a student of batch 2026, like going to graduate in the next year. So you have to fill your particular graduation. Okay, and what degree you are level, like for example, maybe someone of you doing bachelor, someone doing masters. So you have to fill that. After that, you have to create an account. Okay, so there are some question, like you have to add the technologies, what like what technology you are interested in. For example, uh, I'm interested in artificial intelligence because it's now kind of trending. So I just feel that particular technology. And now there is a main thing, like you have to create a Microsoft Learn account. So for that, you have to go to this particular link, and once you go there, okay, so it's like showing how to manage, how to create, like it's showing all the steps, how you have to create your account, how you have to copy your link and all the things. I'm just going to directly the Microsoft Learn account website. Okay, so once I go there, I already just created my account. So you have to register with your email, and after that you have to go here, click on the profile. Okay, sorry, click on the setting. Yeah. So once you click on the setting, you saw here is a thing, you username or URL, and here is a display name. So make sure you don't have to copy this display name, you have to copy this only. Okay, you don't have to copy all the links like from here to here, no, you just have to copy this particular name, username from the this from this particular icon. And once you do that, you have to fill here. I already filled, so make sure don't do any kind of mistake while filling this username in this particular section, because if you do that, if you do it wrong, so it will be, problem for you in the future. So once you do that, click on the next page. And now all done, like I just created all the things. Now you just have to click on the submit button, that's all. Once you click here on the submit button, okay, so like it's showing submit this registration, you will not able to update your registration once it's submitted. So if you do it, like if you click on the submit button, so you're not going to update any kind of details from it. So I'm just going to submit it. Okay, so yeah, now you can see the registration status is under preview. Now once you click on the registration, so I just created my I just completed my registration today, like November 7 2025, and my account will be under review. Once I just complete all the tasks within a particular time, so it will, like I if I complete that task, so I will get a onboarding mail from the Microsoft to become an ambassador. And yeah, we have to create Azure account, so I will explain in the further video. Okay, so and if you like, if you made any mistake in the registration, like for example, if you somehow you mention your name instead of username in the learn account section, so you have to go to here and click on the delete data, and delete your data and re-register again. And okay, so that's the thing. Now after within a, within a few hours, you get a mail of Discord. And after that, once you get your Discord mail, you have to join that particular Discord. You can visit my playlist, I have created all the things here. So yeah, that's all for today. All the best.